But first, what's being done right now to vaccinate more seniors in the East Bay? Good evening, I'm Elizabeth Cook.
I'm Alan Martin. We're going to begin in Contra Costa County, where there are now mobile COVID strike teams. As
KPIX5's John Ramos reports, they're taking the vaccine to the people who need it the most.
It's been a challenge getting all the people 75 years and older vaccinated, but Contra Costa County's done a pretty good job, realizing early on that relying on mass vaccination sites alone was going to allow a lot of people to slip through the cracks. One of the strike teams arrived at the Hacienda Senior Living Complex in Martinez this morning. As they set up in the community room, the residents came down from their apartments, and that's about as far as many of them can travel.
The staff was willing to step outside and go directly to the homes of these clients. They wouldn't be able to get this shot any other way.
The 5 strike teams have only been operating for 2 months now, and their efficiency has been astounding. 35,000 people vaccinated. That's 10% of the county's total. 100% of skilled nursing homes have gotten both doses, as have 86% of residential care facilities.
As we got going and realized how effective we could be, we pivoted to the low-income senior housing complexes.
That's what put them at Hacienda this morning. And while most were getting their shots downstairs, nurses went door to door to those who couldn't get out of bed.
It feels good, and I'm thankful that they came here instead of we going somewhere, you know.
That was important to you?
Yes, very. I was really happy.
Guadalupe Gonzalez was here with her son Michael, who she adopted at age 13. He is just one of 8 foster children that Guadalupe has cared for and given a new shot at life. Today, Michael was happy to return that favor.
So no one's insignificant, you know what I mean? You never know the life that someone has lived or the things that they have done, you know what I mean? So I think it's very important that they're first.
Putting the elderly first has been the mission of the strike teams, and imagining new ways to do that has taught them an important lesson.
Don't be afraid to work outside the walls that you've imagined to be there in the past.
In Martinez, John Ramos, KPIX5.
Well, so far in just 2 months, the strike teams have vaccinated seniors at more than 700 different residential and care homes throughout Contra Costa County.